How to upgrade all programs in Windows using CMD and Winget. Upgrading all your installed programs on Windows is easier than ever with the Windows Package Manager Winget. If you prefer using the command line, you can quickly update all your apps at once through CMD. First, open the command prompt CMD as an administrator by searching for CMD in the Start menu, right-clicking it, and selecting Run as Administrator. Once CMD is open, you can use the Winget command to update all installed apps at once. Type the following command. This command will automatically scan your system for any installed applications that have updates available and proceed to upgrade them to the latest versions. It's a convenient way to ensure all your programs are up to date without having to manually check each one. Note that Winget is available on Windows 10 from version 1809 and up and Windows 11, so make sure your system is compatible. After the process is complete, your programs will be up to date, and you'll have the latest features and security patches for your applications, all done directly from the command line.